Ngayong araw may bago na naman tayong headset na i-review, which is again from Plextone G20 Mark III. Hammering in the bass. Ang ganda ba talaga yung bass nito? Ngayong araw, titingnan natin. Before we start, just a short message from our sponsor. CDKOffers.com is an all-in-one website where you could buy licensed keys. Just simply look for whichever software games you're looking for. Click on the buy now button. I know their licensed keys are already cheap, but want to make it cheaper? Simply enter DUDE20, which is an exclusive discount code that will give you a 20% discount from your purchases. Then enter your payment details and you should immediately receive the key once the payment has been confirmed. After receiving the key, you can then activate your software or games instantly. So recently pinadalan tayo ulit ni Plextone itong bagong G20 Mark III. Maraming salamat ulit Plextone sa pagpadala nito para ma-unbox and review natin itong headset na to. Just a disclaimer, despite na pinadala ito sa atin ni Plextone, all of my opinions and reviews on this video are from my own. So upon receiving this G20 Mark III, I got a little bit confused kasi I thought na previously meron ng G20. But upon searching further, I realized that this particular one is the latest G20. It says here that it is the Mark III. It is latest kasi it was released just around 2021, whereas yung mga previous generations was actually released on 2016, 2017, 2018, and 2019. So ngayon alam niyo na yun. Hopefully you don't get confused kung alin ba yung talagang latest na version or model nitong G20. The price of this G20 Mark III is only around 350 to 400 pesos on Shopee and Lazada. Before we actually review and check out the actual headset, let's take a look at briefly on what you'll be getting straight out of the box of the G20 Mark III. Here's the stuff that will be included on your G20 Mark III gaming headphones, well at least on the 3.5mm version na nire-review ko on this video. First, may kasama siyang detachable earhook. Papakita ko mamaya kung paano nyo ito ilalagay. Meron rin included na clip para sa wire ng headset, and of course, some spare silicone replacement earbuds. Meron rin siyang kasamang Y splitter cable if you need to separate the input and output of the earphones, and meron rin siyang kasamang 3.5mm extension cable na if ever need nyong extend yung haba ng earphones, you can easily do so. And last but not the least, yung mismong G20 Mark III earphones. So here is the actual headset. Hopefully you could see it clearly right there. Di masyadong nagbago yung design niya compared to the other previous generations of the G20. So you might already be familiar on this one kung sinesearch nyo na ito dati or kung meron na kayong ganito dati. Meron itong 3 color variations. This one that I'm currently reviewing is the green version, and meron rin siyang red at black version. Tulad ng ibang headsets ni Plextone, this is a magnetic one, so it would stick on the back of the other earphones. This is the audio interface of this headset. As you can see, here is the slider for the volume, and meron rin siyang multi-function button dito. Aside from that, nandito rin nakalagay yung microphone just right above the slider and in between dun sa button and dun slider. As for the cord, with regards to its design, it's like similar to the other models or versions of the G20. It also has a flat cord cable, but what separates this G20 Mark III from the other generations is that meron siyang parang embossed design or oracle design dito sa cord ng cable niya. So if you're looking at Shopee or Lazada, make sure if you want to get the latest model of the G20 as of the making of this video, make sure to look at the cable or the flat cord of the G20 that has this kind of pattern on it, because the other models of the G20 is quite similarly looking on this Mark III, so you might get confused and you might be getting the older models or versions of this G20. The other generations I think doesn't have this kind of pattern on the flat cord. Pagdating naman sa bigat as signature by Plextone, this is fairly lightweight. So according dito sa box niya, it only weighs 4.9 grams on a single side. So this particular earbuds weighs around 4.9 grams. It also comes with an ear hook or a silicone ear hook that you can actually remove and plug it back on the earbuds. Kung trip niyo yung may earhook sa earbuds, but a lot of other people actually find the earhook kind of a little bit uncomfortable. Kaso nga lang parang malambot itong silicone earhooks that they have provided. Although maganda na sineparate nila para dun sa mga ibang ayaw ng earhooks, they can easily remove it and put it back in case na gusto nila ng earhook sa earphones nila. However, again, parang malambot siya, so I don't see it providing significant difference or being that usable. I noticed that the earbuds is actually angled to a direction. So I think this is an ergonomic design from the G20. So hopefully you could see that it is a little bit angled to the right on the left earbuds para again lapat dun sa tenga mo and makapasok siya dun sa space ng tenga mo without occupying much on the outside. It sits quite comfortable on my ears, and again you will hear that sound of like a vacuum na parang inihigop yung matutulin nyo. Hopefully malinis yung mga tenga nyo, and provides some sort of a seal between the outside and the actual earphones. Also, I noticed that the magnetic feature of the earbuds is quite really helpful, especially if hindi nyo gamit yung earbuds. If you just let it swing, it will actually attach on its own. So that's one feature to keep the earphones organized and hindi magkabulbul yung wires. Looking at the build quality of the G20 Mark III, I can see that this one or the actual earbuds is, I think this is made out of aluminum. I don't know if this is aluminum alloy. But the audio control panel is just plastic. So plain plastic lang itong audio control panel niya. Pagdating naman sa wire niya, this wire is flexible. Hindi ko naman nararamdaman na it's kind of fragile, but similar to other flat cord cables or headphones, you will get actually just a thin wire, and I feel like it's quite durable naman. Pagdating naman dun sa TRRS connector niya, it is actually L-shaped, as you can see right there, and it is also flexible. The length of these earphones is quite long enough. It is around 1 to 1.5 meters, I think. Plus meron rin siyang included na 3.5mm extension cable at meron rin siyang Y-splitter converter cable. Meron dalawang versions itong G20 Mark III, such as this 3.5mm version, at meron rin yung Type-C version para dun sa mga smartphones na Type-C na tulad ng smartphone ko. Then you can actually get the Type-C version 1. Let's not talk about the audio quality that you can actually get from the G20 Mark III. Just a disclaimer, I'm not a sound engineer in any way, but I'm just talking about based on what I have experienced on this G20 Mark III. I tested this one already and napansin ko na indeed talagang tuned in siya pagdating dun sa bass, and rinig na rinig mo yung 60 to 250 Hz na frequency. Pagdating naman sa sub bass niya, maririnig mo rin siya, hindi siya nagtutunog basag, even masyadong malalim na yung mga bass frequencies, such as around 20 to 60 Hz. So it is really indeed hammering the bass. The bass of this earbuds is quite actually good, so it's not bad na given its price point. You'll definitely love listening to music and even gaming on this one. The mids and highs on the G20 Mark III is also quite audible and balanced out rin siya despite na nakatune in siya dun sa bass or leaning siya towards the bass on the headset or the headphones. So maririnig nyo pa rin yung mga vocals on music and hindi siya nagtutunog muffled or muddy na masyado nang madami yung bass at hindi mo na marinig yung actual vocals from the music. Pagdating naman sa noise cancellation, despite na lapat siya sa tenga ko, I noticed that there's actually not much of a noise cancellation on this headset. Actually, mahirap mag-expect ng noise cancellation given that this is only 350 pesos. So this doesn't come with some sort of any noise cancellation such as a passive or an active noise cancellation. Pero may nakalagay dito that it has or it comes with a noise reduction circuit, but actually that's only with regards to the noise that is coming out from the actual output of these earphones. Let's now go ahead and plug this one on my computer and we are going to check the audio quality that you can get from the microphone of this headset. So ilalagay ko siya mas malapit dito sa bibig ko para magkaroon kayo ng idea kung ano yung magiging tunog niya when it is closer in your mouth, so that mas less yung noise that it can get from the surroundings such as the fans that are going on my computer and even the air conditioning unit. Alright, hopefully you were able to get a grasp on the audio quality that you can get from the microphone of this G20 Mark III. overall speaking, if you are looking for headsets that are budget friendly at the same time maganda yung base quality, you'll enjoy this G20 Mark III since it's only 350 pesos, and at the same time maganda yung base quality that you can get from this little headset. Pagdating naman sa wire nitong headset na to, I think this is quite durable and flexible because kahit hinata-kata ko siyang ganyan, despite na manipis lang siya, actually it holds quite pretty well. Pagdating naman sa mic quality nito, I think that can still be improved. Given its price point, you can expect that the microphone of this headset is only going to be used for typical audio calls or voice calls. Pero pagdating dun sa mga audio recording, I don't think this is going to be sounding good. Hopefully, they improve the microphone of this G20 Mark III in the future iterations. So that concludes my review on the G20 Mark III. Hopefully, I was able to discuss with you the things that you should be expecting from the G20 Mark III, and hopefully hindi na kayo confused pagdating dun sa other models or variations nitong unit na to. What are your thoughts with regards to this particular earphones ni Plextone? Let me know your comments down below. As always, again, it's your Tech Kid here. See you in my next tech videos.